Hello everyone and welcome to Kaji's channel. So sa video na to, pag-uusapan naman natin ang basic ng QBO. So kung interested kayong malaman or kung interested kayong matutunan ang basic ng QBO, so isang feature lang yung pag-uusapan natin ngayon. Please keep on watching until the end. Do not skip para wala kang mamiss na tips and tricks na i-share ko throughout the video. So without further ado, let's get started! Kung bago ka lang sa channel na to, I'm Kaji, Virtual Assistant, Executive Assistant, Bookkeeper, Accountant. So kahit anong work, pinapasok ko. Basta't online, kasi online work is amazing! Sa channel na to, dinidiscuss natin more on online work, tips and tricks, and mga success stories. So kung interested ka sa mga topics na yon, please consider subscribing and don't forget to hit the notification bell para wala kang ma-miss na video na ina-upload ni Kaji every single week. Adding bank accounts in QuickBooks is super easy. Ang gagawin lang natin is, ganun din, pupunta tayo sa chart of accounts. So, gear icon, chart of accounts, and then, etong new button, i-click nyo lang din yan. And, ayan. So, meron tayo ditong account type. So, yun lang pipiliin mo, bank. Since bank siya, bank yung bank account type niya. And, yung detail type niya is, anong klase ng bank siya? Checking ba siya? Savings? Or trust account? So, ang common lang naman na ginagamit natin is yung checking at saka yung savings account. Okay? So, for example, yung i-create natin ay checking. So, sa checking, ano yung pangalan ng bangko? Let's say, Bank of America. Okay? And then, meron ditong option na nakalagay, when do you want to start tracking your finances from this QuickBooks account? So, ibig sabihin, pipili tayo ng, kung i-connect natin to i-connect beginning of the year, beginning of this month, today, or other. So, yun yung option mo kung i-connect natin to sa bank. So, kung hindi naman natin i-connect, pwede na natin yung i-skip, i-ignore natin yan, and click Save and Close. Okay? Ganun lang kadaling mag-create ng bank accounts sa QuickBooks. Ngayon, mag-try ulit tayo and ilagay naman natin is credit card. Okay? So, ganun naman, imbes na bank, ang pipiliin mo syempre is yung credit card. And then, yung detail type is credit card din, and then, anong pangalan ng credit card? Ang ginagawa ko kapag credit card or kahit anong bank accounts yung piniprepare ko or kine-create ko, ang ginagawa ko is tinatype ko yung pangalan ng banko. Let's say, Bank of America, BOA, and then ano yung last 4 digit ng bank account na yon. Let's say, ang last 4 digit dun sa bank statement na provide ni client is 1, 2, 3, 4. Ibig sabihin, Bank of America, pwede kong lagyan niya ng checking or savings. For this example, credit card. So, BOA, CC, and then yung last 4-digit number ng credit card. Okay? Save and close. Okay, so mag-try ulit tayong mag-add ng isa pa. So, imbes na save and close, pwede namang save and new yung pipiliin mo. Okay? Okay, so let's try to add another currency or another bank. So, click natin yung new. And then bank. Let's say sa sample naman ito, savings. Okay, so lalagay ko din halimbawa, Amex, American Express. Okay? Or Amex na lang para mas madali. And then, yung kung anong klase siya, savings ba siya. Tapos yung last 4-digit number. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? So, yung last 4-digit number, makikita natin yan sa bank statement na ipoprovide ni client mo. And then, ayun, yung sinasabi ko kanina, pwede tayong mag-save and close and save and new. Pag save and close, ibig sabihin, babalik ka dun sa chart of accounts, pero yung save and new, pwede kang mag-add ng panibagong chart account. Okay? So, ayan, nung clinic yung save and new, ayan, nandito na ulit ako sa adding a new account category, pwedeng bank, pwedeng credit card, or pwedeng expenses, revenue, asset, or liabilities. Okay? So, ganun lang kadali mag-create ng bank account sa QuickBooks. Okay? Halimbawa, let's say pumunta tayo dito sa banking. Pagpunta natin dito sa banking, ngayon makikita nyo meron na tayong Amex bank account dito na create natin kanina. Okay? So kung gusto mong i-link yung mga bank mo sa bangko or ng bank ng client mo sa bangko, all you have to do is to click yung link account, okay? Link account, and then, ayan, i-follow nyo lang yung instruction. So, ano yung account na i-connect mo? Let's say, Amex, meron ba tayo dito? O, show more, kung wala dyan. Okay? Ayan. So, kung wala dyan, pwede mo namang i-type dito, American Express, ayan. American. Ayan. So, meron tayo ditong business credit card, yung corporate or personal credit card, or AFCU. Ayan. Maraming option dyan. Okay? So, you have to select lang yung tama. Actually, ang gumagawa nito is yung client mo, yung pagkoconnect sa bank, kasi sila yung may access dun sa bank nila. Ang gagawin lang natin as a bookkeeper is to prepare yung bank sa QuickBooks, and then si client yung mag-create niyan or magli-link niyan later kung gusto niyang i-connect yung mga banks niya sa QuickBooks Online. So, sana marami kayong natutunan sa video na to. And kung meron kayong clarification, just let me know sa comment section, and Kaji will try to answer that as soon as I can. Or kung mahirap i-explain sa comment, I'll try to make another video to explain everything. So, that's all for today, and I hope to see you sa next video ko. Bye!